How to check for updates on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to check for updates on TurboTax and you're using the online version, then TurboTax Online is always up to date, so you don't have to manually check for any updates. Just refresh your browser or log out and log back in to ensure you're using the latest version. If you're using the TurboTax software, then click Online at the top menu bar, then select Check for Updates. If there is an update available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Now, if you have forms and schedules that have not been finalized for filing, and you want to check for their updates, then they will be shown with estimated availability dates. All you want to do is click on the Review tab. There you will find all the updates for your forms and schedules. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.